Myanmar dagi lo kaina changlakpa yamlava refugee singna awang nongpok lamdamgi senmitlo namadi geopolitical da akaiba piraktuna yelhoumee singgi marakta chayetnaba thokhalle haina kokomigi spokesperson Khuraijam Athouba na phongdokre. Ngarang Switzerland gi Geneva da pangthokpa UN Human Rights Council lisingani kunmari gi yangkai mangarak suba session da wafam asi Athouba na phongdokkibani mahakna makha taraduna refugee gi wathok asina ingna chikna leramba awang nongpok lamdamgi yelhoumee singgi marakta akaiba pirakibani refugee singna lamdam asida leiriba reserve forest sing khopchin bana chingba logi wangmada thabak kaya chathari masigi mathakta nongmai amadi drug lalonbagi thabak kaya tawraktuna awang nongpok lamdam asi khudong thibagi chang wangkhalakli awang nongpok lamdamgi yelhoumee singgi fundamental rights amadi meeoi sing kanjanaba ngaklou ama chatna-hannaba Athoubana UN Human Rights Council ki pukning chinsinkhre. Border lansi laklaga lo kaina drug amadi khuchu khulai lalonba thingnaba cross border asi mapangal kalhanbiu popi thaduna environment ta akaiba piriba sitoknaba atopa pambayama sinbada mateng pangbiu awang nongpok lamdamda chathariba irang asi laksinaba malemgi leibak singi mateng nikhi.
The surge in cross-border movement has further destabilized the region, with a majority of refugees seeking sanctuaries in India's northeast regions and indulging in all forms of illicit activities, encroaching several reserve forest areas. The confiscation of illegal unlimited drugs and arms from the region in the recent years is alarming. $18 billion worth drugs seized in Manipur, 16 billion in Assam, 1.6 billion in Mizoram. All drugs came from Myanmar. Additionally, extensive opium poppy cultivations in Manipur, particularly by immigrant groups, have reached unprecedented level. Till that, almost 18,000 acres have been destroyed. This has led to massive deforestation, degrading the environment and threatening the survival of indigenous population. I appeal to this council to convene a relevant human rights forum and implement necessary mechanism to safeguard the fundamental human rights and ensure the security of indigenous people by strengthening cross-border cooperation to combat illicit drugs and arms trafficking, by supporting sustainable alternative livelihoods to discourage poppy cultivation and mitigate environmental degradation, and by facilitating international cooperations to address the involvement of foreign terror networks in regional violence. I thank you.